When I ask you, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, the person you are imagining is your future self. You definitely want to be like him or her, but you don't know where to go and how to start. Well, then, welcome. You're on the right place. Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about the rebrand script that you need for becoming like your future self. So here are the video chapters and let's get into it. Oh my god, what's this lazy girl hairstyle? Well, I'm here to teach, not to perform. The first thing that you need is planning, understanding how your future self looks like. For this, you have to do your own SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is all your strength, all your weaknesses, all the opportunities that you can grab, and all the threats that you're going to face. You have to figure out all the four things and you have to act in the situation like your future self would act. Take a piece of paper, take a pen, and write all the things that your future self would do. Your future self is going to wake up at 5 a.m. every day? Okay, write it down. Your future self is going to meditate every day for 15 minutes? Okay, write it down. Write down everything, every single detail that your future self is going to do. Once this list is prepared, now you have to implement some of the steps into your daily routines. If you will try to do everything that's mentioned in the list, then you are definitely going to burn out yourself and you are going to give up easily. But here we are not going to do that. You must be knowing that I really appreciate small growths and small beginnings. So we are going to go step by step and we are going to achieve everything that's in your list. And the second chapter is beauty. You have imagined how your future self looks like, and you have definitely imagined what type of clothes he or she wear, what type of beauty she is having. So in this chapter, we are going to talk about all that. The first thing that you have to keep in your mind while buying clothes for your own self is if you're not going to wear that in the next 5 years, you're not going to think even 5 minutes about it. This will save your precious money, your precious time, and this will also save your wardrobe from all the clothes that you are never going to wear again. Please do invest in good type of perfumes. It's actually necessary for your body. You need to smell good, baby girl. You have to learn how to enhance your beauty naturally and do not buy toxic products because it's really harmful for your skin. You have to buy one product and you have to just stick to it throughout. Do not try, buy and try. No. We are going to buy one product and we are going to stick to it throughout. The third chapter is mindset shift. It's my personal urge to block all the persons that are no longer in your life. Delete the pictures of the persons that are no longer in your life. You cannot stick to it just because you had a history together. Stop being with people that don't respect your boundaries. Stop being with people that were not with you when you needed them the most. Learn how to deal with your own self. We are going to spend as much time as we can with our own selves to learn more about our own selves. Get used to being criticized. You have to be in your abundance mindset. Whatever you think you can have in your reality. As I've already said, your brain doesn't know the difference between an imagination and reality. So whatever you think becomes the reality. Stop sharing everything everywhere with everyone online. Boundaries, people. Stop being in the place where you don't belong to. And this brings us to the end of this video, and I really appreciate the small steps, the small beginnings that you are taking to rebrand yourself. Also, I'll be sharing more such stuff with you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, I love you always. Bye.